Good morning, pandas, and happy Friday. I hope you're being careful with the snow. If you have to go anywhere, be careful. I heard we're supposed to get a lot of snow today. So let's go ahead and get started with our days of the week. Today is, I already told you the answer, Friday. Yesterday, what comes before Friday? Thursday. So today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. What comes after Friday? Saturday. So tomorrow will be Saturday. Let's sing our days of the week song. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday comes again. And let's talk about the month. Our month is April. Let's sing our month song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Hooray! And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And our year is 2020. So today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Our season is spring, even though it does not feel like it still. Go ahead and check out your window and see what you see. I'm going to go ahead and put snowy and cloudy up. It's a pretty dreary day. Now we are going to read our book, Arthur's Jelly Beans. The Arthur books were one of my favorites when I was growing up. And I don't know if they still make new books, but this is a pretty good series. So this one is Arthur's Jelly Beans. Welcome to my spring fling party, Muffy announced. The first game we're going to play is... Wait, said Fern. Where's Arthur? There he is, said the brain. Francine sighed. He's so slow. Arthur makes turtles look fast, Buster agreed. Hi, said Arthur. Am I late? Muffy blew her whistle. Let the games begin. First came the egg push. Eggs went rolling all over the place. Binky nudged into his basket first. Arthur was last. With a nose like yours, you should have been first, said Francine. Next came the bunny hop. Ouch, my foot, cried Fern. Francine hopped across the finish line first. Arthur was last. Is it time for refreshments yet? Buster asked. Almost, said Muffy. The final game is the jelly bean hunt. Whoever collects the most jelly beans wins the grand prize. What's the grand prize? Asked Binky. Muffy smiled. Ta-da! And it's solid chocolate. Whoa, whispers the others. I want that chocolate egg, Binky said. Who says you're going to win, said the brain. I view my chances as excellent. Mine too, said Arthur. The other kids looked at each other. Then they bust out laughing. What's so funny, said Arthur. Francine said, It's just that you're so slow. Everyone chimed in. Muffy passed out paper bags. You have 15 minutes to collect the jelly beans. Ready, set, go. Out of my way, shouted Buster. Winter coming through, cried Francine. Everyone raced around the yard, everyone except Arthur. He hardly moved at all. I've already got 4, Fern yelled. Try 6, said the brain. 1, said Arthur. I've got 1. My bag is getting full, said Francine. I'm going to need a calculator to compute my total, the brain said. Muffy checked her stopwatch. 6 more minutes, she yelled. Can't we just start counting? Asked Buster. There can't be that many jelly beans left. Yeah, said Binky. I was like a vacuum cleaner. I sucked up all the jelly beans in my path. No way, said Arthur. I'm still looking. Rules are rules, Muffy said. 5 more minutes. Buster looked at his bag of jelly beans. I have so many, he thought. It couldn't hurt to eat just one. Binky saw Buster eating a jelly bean. If Buster can spare one, so can I, he figured. Before long, Fern was dipping into her bag too. Then Francine, then the brain. Are these blue ones cotton candy? Asked Fern. I think so. And the brown ones are root beer, said Binky. Why aren't there any pink ones? Francine asked. Muffy blushed. I ate all the pink ones before the party. Then she looked down at her stopwatch. Oops, time's up, she called. Everyone lined up and poured out their jelly beans. Muffy walked down the line counting. Fern, 7. The brain, 6. 3 for you, Binky. And 9 for Francine. Then she came to Arthur. One, 2, 3, Muffy began. She kept counting. 12, 13, 14. Arthur, you won. I did, said Arthur. He did, said Francine. Muffy handed Arthur the big chocolate egg. I hope you'll all help me eat this, Arthur said. Really? Said Buster. Of course, said Arthur. I could never finish it. After all, you know how slow I am. The end. So that was Arthur's jelly beans. So our activities for today, I put on there. Let me try and move this. For a STEM activity, I included a bag of jelly beans and some toothpicks into your bag, and with that you can make whatever you want. I decided that I was gonna build a pyramid, so I thought that one was pretty cool. You can make houses, you can make people, whatever you want, and I can't wait to see pictures of all of those. And then another one that I included, that you'll need the jelly beans again, and then you should have gotten the egg that looks like this. This one is just a simple color matching. So put the yellow on the yellow, the blue on the blue, and so forth. You can also hide the jelly beans around your house to make them find the jelly beans first and then put them on here. That is also another extension activity. And then, of course, I'm sure they'll want to eat all the jelly beans because they love jelly beans. So if you guys have any questions or need anything at all, please let me know. I will be setting up a Zoom for next week for all of the kids. I'll just put out a time, and then if you want to log on, you can, so then all the kids can see their friends. I think that should be pretty entertaining. So I will let you guys know within the next few days what that schedule for next week will look like. So have a good weekend and enjoy the snow.